Are you looking for a good recipe to help with some of those aches and pains from getting older? Shyla and
Katie, here from Simply Earth with a joint pain roll-on.
we're excited about this one because I get a lot of really bad neck pains lately and headaches, so I think this one's gonna help a lot.
Yeah, so we're gonna use essential oils in a roll-on bottle, which looks like this. You can take it wherever you go. So to make this, we're going to be using a 10 milliliter roll-on bottle.
If you're a monthly box subscriber, this comes in your bonus box, 6 of them.
We're also gonna be using Balsam Fir essential oil, orange essential oil, and Cassia essential oil.
Okay.
These oils smell great together, but they're also really good at fighting inflammation and soothing pain.
All right, so put the oils in first.
Yep, add the oils, and then we're gonna fill this bottle the rest of the way with almond oil.
All right, so 2 drops of orange, 3 drops of balsam fir, and last but not least, 1 drop of cassia.
All right, so now it's good to give it a little bit of a swirl just so that it's mixed.
Okay.
You can fill it up with 10 milliliters of almond oil.
Or coconut oil if you want to use the coconut that's in your bonus box. All right, I'm gonna just shake this guy a little bit before I put the top in. Ooh, it smells really nice.
So once you have that lid back on, you can apply it to soothing joints. I tend to get pain in my wrists, so I like to just put it on where it hurts. And it's cooling, it smells good, and it's gonna help fight inflammation and pain. When you're done with your joint pain roll-on, make sure you label it, otherwise you won't remember what's in this beautiful roll-on.
So we've been getting a lot of questions about how to use these guys, so this is how you do it.
These come in our monthly recipe box. So if you are a subscriber, you'll get everything you need to make this recipe, including these labels. So you just cut them out, and then the back will peel off.
So little sticky guys here.
Yep, peels off really easy. And then you can just put it on your creation.
So for more recipes like this,
Head to simplyearth.com.
see you later.